Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off vanish mode in Instagram chat. If you want to correspond with someone, and you don't want that message be there, you can turn on vanish mode. Vanish mode is when people send each other disappearing messages, photos, videos and other content in Instagram chats. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's see is your Instagram app updated. If is not, go on Play Store or App Store and update the app. Then open Instagram app on your device. After that, swipe on left to go on chats, and then go on chat with someone you want. I will go with random one. And now you are on chat, and when you correspond with that person and you want to turn on vanish mode, just simple swipe up, and on that way you are enable vanish mode. And when you send message, that message is disappearing when you turn off a vanish mode. So to turn off vanish mode, just you need to repeat a process. So again, swipe up and you are disable vanish mode, and you are finish. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.